Did you know that you can control the energy of any room just by yawning? Here's how it works. When you yawn, up to 60% of people around you will yawn back within 5 minutes. This happens because of mirror neurons in our brains that copy what we see. Want to calm down a tense meeting? Yawn strategically. Need to signal it's time to wrap up? A well-timed yawn sends the message. You're literally hijacking their subconscious and becoming the secret puppeteer of group mood. Follow for more daily psychology hacks.